Well, set up camp. Go looking for food. Hey, is that Rebecca? Rebecca! Hey! Hey! How'd you survive the crash?
Well, I got knocked out, so after you left, I woke back up.
Cool. Oh, by the way, here's your gun.
Thank you.
Rebecca, duck! Shoot him!
There's one more. Oh, gosh.
That was close. He's fine, I got him.
Okay.
Stay there, stay there, stay there.
I already
Ouch! There we go. Alright. Scene.